Aisha.
Walaikum salam, miss. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Aisha, can you explain me why we are here?
We are here I am here to present a topic, solid and liquid and gas.
Okay. Firstly, can you tell me what is solid and what is liquid and what is gas? Are
Okay.
these all the
Solid
types
is
of matter? All these states of matter?
the solid, liquid, and gas are all state of matter.
Okay. First, can you tell me what is solid?
Solid is something that is hard and it is tightly packed together. The solid, their particles are tightly packed together. It does not shape and it does not move.
Okay.
Liquid move from their places, but solid do not. Liquid can move one place to another place, but they cannot.
Aisha, there is not a changing in the place. Firstly, you have to tell me in liquid, particles are tightly packed or not.
Okay. Okay. In liquid, their particles are a bit tightly packed together. And in gas,
In
particles
liquid,
are not
the
tightly
particles are not tightly packed. They have a small difference between them. They have a small distance between them.
They are not tightly packed together, and they are having a small distance between them.
And in gas,
gas
yes.
are not. In gas, the particles are not tightly packed together. They can move freely, but solid cannot because
Okay. Okay, which one of the
has a
following
fixed shape.
has a fixed shape and cannot be changed into another shape? Which one of the following has a fixed shape
Solid cannot.
and cannot be squashed? Which one of the
Solid.
following? Okay, which one of the following can be squashed and can easily change its shape?
Liquid.
Liquid and
Gas.
gas. Okay, now we will move to the next thing. We have the next topic.
Just 1 second, I'm still having my presentation. I have a very small activity.
Okay, yes, tell me.
Okay. Now can I tell you how solid behaves?
Yes, you can tell me.
Okay. Okay, this is my sister Emmanuel. We both have solid and we are both tightly packed together.
Okay.
Now, we cannot move because they're tightly packed together.
Yes.
Like liquid are flowing, but they are moving in their places.
Yes.
Like gases are moving freely.
Yes. Yes, exactly. Now we are done with these three states of matter, Aisha.
Nah.
Okay, now we will move to the next part when we have to change solid into liquid and liquid into solid. The next topic is we have melting and solidifying. Aisha, can you tell me what is melting? What is the process of melting?
Melting incarnity.
We have an ice cube. Ice cube is in the form of solid. Ice is in the form of solid. When you boil that ice in a fry pan, it will change. It will start melting. It will start converting into water. This process is known as melting. सेम एज आपकी पिक्चर देखें, आपके पास एक आइस क्यूब्स है, ठीक है, आप उसको टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करते हैं. जब आप उसको टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करते हैं, इट विल स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग. द आइस विल बी चेंज इनटू liquid, change into a water. This process is known as the melting. What if we want to freeze that water again? Yes, Aisha.
Miss, can I also present this too?
Okay, you can.
Yay!
Yes.
Can I present it?
Yes.
Miss, I guess after that I just need something.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Aisha, how are you?
I'm fine. Miss, today I will present you my topic about melting and solidifying. Melting is something that melts.
Okay.
Miss, I don't know what is solidifying or what.
Okay, simply for example, you have an ice cube in your freezer. Okay, when you take them, you have to use that ice cube in your any juice in your milkshake. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके मामा ने आपके लिए मिल्क शेक बनाया है, ठीक है. मिल्क शेक इतना ठंडा नहीं है, आपने उसको ठंडा पीना है, वो थोड़ा सा गर्म है. आप आइस क्यूब लेंगे, आइस क्यूब लेके, आइस क्यूब की फॉर्म कौन सी है? सॉलिड फॉर्म है. अब आपने क्या करना है कि आइस क्यूब जो है उसको आपने अपने डिप कर दिया किसके अंदर? अपने मैंगो शेक के अंदर. द आइस क्यूब विल स्टार्ट मेल्टिंग. Ice cube will start melting inside your milkshake and your milkshake becomes a cooler because of the ice cubes. ठीक है. अब जो आइस क्यूब थी वो सॉलिड से किस में चेंज हुई? लिक्विड में चेंज होगी. आइस क्यूब सॉलिड से किस में चेंज हुई? लिक्विड में. फिर आपने क्या करना है? आपने अपने फ्रीज़र में, आपके मामा ने कहा है आशा ग्रैब द फ्रीज़र ट्रे, नाउ यू हैव टू फ्रीज द वाटर. आपने फ्रीज़र ट्रे लिया, आइस क्यूब ट्रे लिया, ठीक है. उसमें आपने पानी भर दिया, पानी भर के आपने उसको फ्रीज़र में रख दिया. आप कुछ टाइम बाद देखा वो जो पानी है वो लिक्विड की स्टेट से किस में चेंज हो गया? सॉलिड में चेंज हो गया. द प्रोसेस when a liquid change into solid, this is known as solidifying. ओके. आप देखें ना, आपके पास ये जो पिक्चर है इसमें क्या है? लिक्विड वाटर. आपने इसको फ्रीजर में रखा तो वो फ्रीज हो गया. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सॉलिडिफाइंग. ओके. ओके आयशा.
There's something wrong with my laptop.